German Unity Day is the national day in Germany, celebrated on 3 October as a public holiday. It commemorates German reunification in 1990, when the Federal Republic of Germany and the German Democratic Republic were unified, so that for the first time since 1945 there existed a single German state. German Unity Day on 3 October has been the German national holiday since 1990, when the reunification was formally completed. An alternative choice to commemorate the reunification could have been the day the Berlin Wall came down, 9 November 1989, which coincided with the anniversary of the proclamation of the German Republic in 1918 and the defeat of Hitler's first coup in 1923. However, 9 November was also the anniversary of the first large-scale Nazi-led pogroms against Jews in 1938, so the day was considered inappropriate as a national holiday. Therefore, 3 October 1990, the day of the formal reunification, was chosen instead and replaced the Day of German Unity on 17 June, the national holiday of the Federal Republic of Germany from 1954. Germany has historically associated various dates with its nationhood and unity. Before 1871, in the area where the single state of Germany now exists, different kingdoms and principalities existed. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.